Hello, hi, my name is Mzeda Rotondwa. Thank you so much for following my YouTube channel and viewing this video. Now, this is the strategy that I used myself when I was doing computer science, information technology, how I managed to finish it in a record time. What I did is when I get there, I heard that there is a hardest subjects that people they repeat before they pass them. And then I asked what are those subjects, and they said electronics. And then I was like, electronics? Okay, for me to pass electronics while others are failing, I need to register myself as a peer tutor. So I went to Triple S and I registered myself as a peer tutor for electronics. That means that I have to teach other students electronics. And then I cannot teach the subject that I don't understand, eh? So I am forced to understand it so that I can teach others while I'm still a student. So I was forced to understand that subject and I passed it. And then when I move on, I heard that there is also what we call it principle of computer programming. And then that also, I went and registered myself to be a peer tutor for it. And then I tutored it, and it was so simple for me to understand because I need to make other students to understand. And then lastly, it was computer programming. So that's how simple it is to pass with a record time. Like I did, you can also do it. And the good part about that is that when you are a peer tutor, you also get to be paid for teaching. And in my campus, we were being paid 100 rand. That's how I did. Thank you so much for following my YouTube channel and my content. If you like this video, click thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. God bless you.